Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Roadster from the year 1957. You can see it's beautiful red beige paint chrome bumper right here. It's a 6-cylinder inline 3-liter engine with a output of 215 horsepower. Let's take a look at this beautiful bumper right here. All the details on this car are absolutely amazing. The cream leather interior, white steering wheel, beautiful wing mirror, all chrome. Also love the wheels with the red center, and then the vents with the chrome stripes over them. The actual price, the timeless classic Mercedes Roadster 300 SL is a staggering 1,790,000 euros. That's insane. Do a quick walk around the beach so you can see the details. So this is the 300 SL Mercedes. Here you can see the interior. Completely detailed. 4-speed manual transmission, 215 horsepower from this straight 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. Naturally aspirated, of course. No turbos back at the time. I love all the chrome. It makes the car look absolutely incredible. And as you can see by the mirror right here, you can see the bottom of the car. The car is actually completely restored.